Hello everyone. Today I have a drone under the repair, and here the trouble is that it is reporting the fault that the ESC is bad, and maybe there is one video that also mentions the motors, but I have measured all the motors and it seems that they're okay. So this is code 302210, power system error. So yeah, the main suspect is ESC. I have already replaced the GPS and camera and this I don't know, is it altimeter sensor or gyroscope? I don't know what it is. So the flex cable, which is connecting everything in front, and yeah, because this drone was crashed, so the cable tore. So this usually happens over here. Sorry, I have pretty bad colds, so yeah, I have a stuffy nose and so on. So yeah, this is how the cable got torn over here. Yeah, okay, focus. So yeah, here should be connector, but okay, you got the point. Yeah, so I have replaced this cable, and then so when the customer tried to fly, it showed this power system error, and I have suspected this flex cable, but it seems to be okay. I have bought another DJI mini drone, so I have a good base, good parts, non-good parts, and I have switched everything, and you guys did. The last was ESC, and the ESC seems to be bad because everything else is working fine now. So now I said that maybe we can try to reflow the brushless motor driver. So FETs seem to be okay. I have checked every one of them. I have checked the outputs of the outputs on the motors. So those are the. Yeah, so we're back. I didn't need to restart the computer, just to restart the OBS. Yeah, I don't know. My equipment is not so fabulous, so yeah, I have to be prepared and waste my time, because I don't want to put too much money in the equipment, because I don't know how this channel will go. So yeah, I started slow. I now have Canon M50 Mark I, and now the new addition to my recording setup is OBS Tiny 2, which I'm really pleased to have, because yeah, it has pretty good picture, and also this auto tracking is really fine, and you can control it with or gestures or voice commands. So let's say I have 3 presets for the position of the camera, and so the first one is like this, you're seeing now, and the second one is position 2, it's under the microscope, position 2, position 1, position 2, okay, position 3, and this is the close-up on the desk. So yeah, position 1, position 1. Yeah, so and yeah, of course I have 4K microscope camera, which was around, I don't know, 120 euros from, you guessed it, China. So it's a master mechanic. Yeah, it's from I think that it's DIY phone parts or something like that. Yeah, so yeah, this is currently my setup. I also have old Sony HD camcorder, but it only shoots in 1080i. Yeah, so okay, back to the enough of my camera setup, back to the repair. So here is the here's the bad ESC board, and I have already already checked every transistor. So I have checked outputs, and I have checked outputs towards the ground and towards the VCC, and no fat here is shorted to any line, so not to ground, not to 3.6 bus line. So I'm guessing that something has to be wrong with the either with the drivers over here. So drivers are on the bottom side of the board, so those 4 over here, or yeah, I don't know, maybe some cap is bad. I have quickly went through the caps and checked if there is any cracks or discoloration or something like that, but I didn't really notice it. So yeah, I don't know, I will try to reflow those BLDC motor drivers, and we will see how it goes from there. So let's just try to reflow this. Here I'll start the film extractor, and let's try to put on right nozzle. This is a little too big. No, this one will do. Yeah, so the worst case is I have to order a new ESC, which is around 35 euros from, again, China. So okay, so let's just try to do the first one over here. I don't know, this is a bit too jumpy approach, I would say. but anyway, I will I plan to order new ESC, so it doesn't really matter if I overheat this board or something like that. So yeah. So I have 370 degrees on my hot air and 70% of airflow. You see the bubbling underneath. Let me take a little bit sharper tweezers. Yeah, maybe I should bump the temperature a bit up, but I think this is safer way to do. It's slow but safer. So those are not melted yet. Yeah, I think that I have to bump up the temperature. So I will go to 400 and leave the airflow as it is. Let me use a bit more flux. I don't know if I should only heat up the one, so reflow one of them and then try. This will lengthen the process, but I would have some. Come on. Okay, so now it's. I will do the all four of them because yeah, I don't have time. It's late night and I would just like to try if something here. But anyhow, as I don't know what the problem here is because all the joints here look okay. But yeah, I have seen that other guys. So we get okay. This is okay. That mentioned this on forums that they think that because of the crash something got broken or something like that. So yeah, bad connection and so on. Let's try to remove this DJI. Sorry, I have problems to pronouncing everything. I'm mixing DIY and DJI. Yeah. This sticker. Let's remove this sticker. Okay, position 2. Position 2. You can see over here movement of hand. So yeah, as everyone teaches, it is really important when you are reflowing and working with hot air that you move all the time, because if you stay on one place you risk of so this cap already flowed. We're okay here, and let's do the you have to move because otherwise you risk to overheat something. And yeah, but this is easy job. This is nothing compared to iPhone, so I don't expect any problems over here. And we will see if this yields some results, or if we have some luck. Yeah. Okay, so this one is flowed also. yeah, so you have to move your hand all the time. This is the key thing of I don't know. Should I check those pins over here? Maybe. Let's just check them. Anything is loose, but I don't know. This is only the control that's talking with the main board and with the motor drivers. So maybe here could also go something wrong. But yeah, those pins look really healthy, so I wouldn't say. Yeah, so I didn't finish. Yeah, so the foreign debate is that because of the crash, something may got loose or bad joint could appear if there was previously already something that was not soldered properly. Every now and then in the process of the so you have to consider that some of the boards when they are manufactured are just not as good as other ones, and yeah. Okay, so I don't know, those pins seem to be okay. So should we try? What do you think? Should we try to position one? Position one. Just to put the ESC back on, and we will see if this helped or not, and if it didn't, I will I will stop. I will stop screwing with it and order a new one, because it's not so expensive, and I already spent too much time repairing this drone, and I will not be able to make any much more money from this repair. So yeah, we should I should do this as quick as possible. So we will see how it goes. Maybe this is this will be a lucky guess, and yeah, not lucky guess, combined forces, let's say, because I read it. I read this is someone's idea from someone else, so yeah, I cannot take credit for this suggestion or this trial, let's say. So here's the red, here goes the black, and here goes the white, and we have to solder another side. I'm not sure, but I think that it would be okay if I only solder one motor, but I will do all four. I didn't try just to solder one. I don't know what happens, so let's just do everything and we will see then. Black and red. Okay, this is it. Let's snap in this connector, click click, and on the bottom everything is fine. White, black, red, red, black, white, black, red, red, black, white. But in a real, it doesn't matter if the motors were connected backwards, because I will not fly. Obviously, if the ESC is not working, I will not fly with the drone. So yeah, it would just cause to spin the the motor would spin in other direction. So you cannot do any harm over here. Let's try to. So yeah, it worked. No hack. Yeah, that's it. So it really seems that motor drivers are maybe something is internally wrong with the ICs, and we just prolonged the let's say the working time for a little bit. Maybe it was a bad joint. Yeah, we will not know until it fails again. So yeah, maybe I could try to desolder one of the BLDCs and see if other ones, if the ESC is initializing and everything is working. But most probably I will leave this maybe for a future video, or yeah, we will see. Okay, so let's just try to turn on the transmitter. Okay, so connecting. Yep, connected. We don't have any GPS data because we're in the house.
Take off.
Yeah. Okay, it works. No freaking way. I didn't expect that. I really didn't. Let's land the plane. Okay, nice. So now the only thing is that I have to assemble this drone and we're done. This is a nice surprise, I must say, because yeah, I already spoke with the customer and said that ESC is bad and we will have to order another one, and yeah, he was happy to fly. And obviously he's without a drone, I don't know, for 2 or 3 weeks now, because we had to wait for the FPC to come, and then he saw that the drone isn't working anymore. Yeah, and then it was. I left it on a shelf for a few days because I had other things to do, and now we're here, and it's really late, so I should stop recording now, because yeah, I have to go to sleep. I didn't get any sleep last night, and hopefully this one will be better, because I have some satisfaction over here that one thing is done. I only have to assemble this, and yeah, please, I don't know why I'm not showing myself, so yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you like this type of repairs and micro soldering stuff and so on. So I'm happy that you stick with me until the end, and hopefully I will see you in
A few moments later.
Yeah, so Canon just stopped recording because it has 30-minute limit of video recording. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you in another one. Take care. Bye bye.